The house built on chains. Welcome to the house built on chains, where we stop blaming the blueprint and start checking the beliefs. They told us we were free, but they built our freedom on foundations made of chains, not the kind you hear, the kind you carry inside. The education system, the church, the media, the courts, all dressed up like justice. But if you look close enough, you'll see the programming still playing right in your reflection. Some people live in privilege, others live in programming. But if you can see the mindset that's keeping you in that less than role, then you can also see the door. This house was built on chains, but you hold the key to set yourself free, the key to keep pushing, keep striving, and say enough is enough, and reclaim your freedom, reclaim your strength.